Welcome to moomotv.
A. Apple.
A. Apple.
B. Banana.
B. Banana.
C. Cat.
C. Cat.
D. Duck.
D. Duck. Do you like ducks, kids?
E. Elephant.
E. Elephant. Wow, elephant look so beautiful.
F. Fox.
F. Fox.
G. Giraffe.
G. Giraffe.
H for horse.
H for horse.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
J. Jelly.
J. Jelly.
K for kangaroo.
K for kangaroo.
L. Lotus.
L. Lotus.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for injection.
N for injection. Do you scary of injection, kids?
O. Octopus.
O. Octopus.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Q. Quail.
Q. Quill. R for rainbow.
S for sunflower.
S for sunflower. T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella. V for vulture.
W for watermelon.
W for watermelon. Do you like watermelon, kids?
X for X-ray.
X for X-ray.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra. Thank you for watching, kids.